Good afternoon. Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday, August the 16th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. We have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. Last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with these three regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, I've heard that there's a powerful typhoon near Tokyo. Yeah. In Japan. Yeah. Typhoon. All right. That's the news. Let me start with this one, the 3 star Sudoku. This one will be a number. Let me see which number it will be. 9102. 9102. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Well. 26. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. But the publisher has indicated with 3 stars for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number? Well. Which number can I pick? Mm-hmm. Yeah, thinking. 8. Come on. 7. 2. 1. Well, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Shoot it in. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left 8. Shoot it in. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have 2 and a 6 in this row, so no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. For numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. So 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. We have a pair, I believe, the 4 and the 7 in the third row, the 4 and the 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 4, A should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4, A should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 it should be there. And all the fours are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. Now. How about the one in this column, the one in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places left for the one should be here or there. We have a one in the first row, no one there. One should be here. One in the third row, one in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the one should be here or there. We have a one in this column, no one there. One should be there. One. One box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing here. Alright. Then let me see. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only place left for the 2 should be there. 2. Cannot continue with the 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers? The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in that row, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this row, third row. For number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then let me see. 6. Oh, we have a pair, I believe. No, not a pair. 2, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in the last row. No 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 8. Alright. And now, let me see. Yeah. 1, 1. Well, we have a pair. The 1 and the 6 in this row. The 1 and the 6 in the second row. In the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places left for the 1 and the 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. And look, we have 1 and a 6 in this column, so no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. 3. Yeah. 8. Come on. 8. 8. I'm thinking. Come on. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 is supposed to be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So on the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright, next number. How about these 2 missing numbers in the last row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 7 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. Come on. Yeah, 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. Well, we have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square, 2 and 9, we have a 9 now, so this box should be the 2. 1 box left in this big square, 8 or 9, we have an 8 there, so this box should be a 9. 2 or 9, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. 2 and 7, well, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 7 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left here, 1 and a 6. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only place level 8 should be here. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 in the last column. No 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, and 9 is missing, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there, finishing in 13 minutes. Well. 3, no. 2, no. 1, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.